In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Weex Exchange. Now, the first thing you have to do here, when you basically sign into your account, you want to go up top over here and you want to select what you want to trade. For this tutorial, we're just going to go ahead and trade some spot. So I'm going to click on spot and it's going to open up this trading platform inside Weex. Here, the first thing you have to do is, of course, you want to find whatever you want to trade. So we're just going to go very basic here. We're going to select some Ethereum USDT and then it's going to open up this chart. You can see the info of the specific crypto up here, and then of course here you'll be able to see the chart. You could do some technical analysis. This is powered by TradingView, so you could do whatever you want on here. And then on the right hand side you can see the order book, and you can also see the market trades. And then down here, if you scroll down a bit, is where you can basically start your trading journey. So to actually trade here, you could go ahead, select limit or market. And then here, of course, if you do limit, you can set the price at which you want to buy or sell. If you do market, you can basically just buy or sell at the current market price, okay? So that's the main difference. And then you can just type in however much you would like to buy. So here, I'm going to do total. Let's say we're going to do like 5 USDT worth of Ethereum. You can just click on buy ETH over here, and it's going to basically buy ETH or whatever you selected, whatever crypto you want to trade. And then whenever you're ready to sell, you can just go to sell, select how much of your current holding of that specific token or coin you're trying to sell, click on sell, and that's pretty much all you have to do, and that is how you can trade on Weex Exchange. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.